Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Telkom SIM is active and you have at least one signal bar. Once done, open the phone dialer and type the Telkom balance UST code *123#. Press the call key. The network will return a short service menu. You must stay on the call screen until the response appears, because exiting early cancels the session. This direct UST method queries the operator and avoids app logins or internet dependence. When the menu appears, scan for the balance or data inquiry option and note its selection number. Then enter that number and send. UST menus are sequential, so each choice brings a new prompt. If the menu asks which package, choose the active data plan to get an accurate remaining amount. Make sure to use the numeric response, not text, because UST only accepts digits. Once the system processes your choice, it will return a concise summary of your remaining data. The final screen shows remaining megabytes or gigabytes, expiry date, and any bonus allocations. Read it carefully to plan usage. Once done, end the UST session, and if needed, take a screenshot or note the numbers. If you receive no response, wait 30 seconds and retry. Temporary network congestion often causes failures. Make sure the SIM is in the primary slot and you have signal. If problems persist, contact Telkom customer support for account-level troubleshooting and to confirm your UST code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.